Oh, come on, baby. You have to eat your veggies. What to do, what to do.
Honey, I'm home.
Oh, sweet Papa, I'm so happy you're back.
What's going on, Sugar Plum?
It's Haley. She won't eat her vegetables.
She won't eat her vegetables.
No.
It's all right, Sweet Pea.
I don't know what to do.
Well, maybe Benny's Kitchen has a solution for us.
You think they'll know what to do?
Maybe it's time we told Haley about time travel.
Time travel. Okay.
I love you, Sweet Pea.
I love you, sweet Papa.
Now, what's going on?
Papa, I don't want to eat those nasty vegetables.
Well, maybe I got something for you. In the year 2020, they got something called quesadillas.
What are those, Papa?
Well, let me show you.
You guys are gonna need these, all right?
What are these for?
Well, you don't want to fry your brain, do you? Thank you, darling. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, we're gonna time travel in 3, 2, and 1. All right, it looks like we're in 2020 already.
Dad, what happened to your voice?
Oh, that just happens just so we can blend in to the people here in 2020. I think it's safe to take our hats off now. All right, we're gonna need a cast iron skillet. Let's turn that on high heat. We're gonna add a little bit of our avocado oil, just a little bit, and let's spread it out, spread it evenly. I'm using a paper towel in this case. Now let's go ahead and set our tortillas right on them. So we had about a half cup of cheese, so that means we put a quarter cup of cheese on each one of our tortillas. Now let's start with the ugly. We're gonna start with our broccoli. Let's add our steak. Now we're gonna add our bacon. Now the bacon is going to be used, since its flavor is so strong, we're gonna use the bacon to try to mask the flavor of the broccoli, since our kids are a little bit picky and they don't like to eat broccoli and some other vegetables. Instead of bacon, we could also use a stronger cheese, maybe sharp cheddar or an Asiago or Parmesan cheese, you know, cheeses that are sharp, strong. And we're gonna let that cook until our tortillas are golden brown. You can lift them up, take a quick peek. If it's not ready, that's not ready. But it usually takes from 5 to 7 minutes, 6 to 8 minutes, more or less. That looks golden brown to me. Let's check the other side. It's a little pale, so let's go ahead and turn that over, because the heat is going to concentrate right in the middle. All right, so about 2 more minutes, we should be ready to go. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and take these out. Now what I want to do is kind of hold it with my knife there. That way it's easy for me to fold over. And let's cut them in half. That way it's comfortable for our little hands that are gonna be grabbing these. Good thing about quesadillas is there's no forks, no knives necessary. You can just dig in. It's a form of playing with your food, I guess. All right, let's go ahead and plate these bad boys. I like to have the cut part out because it's visually appealing, like so. And you gotta think of some of the veggies that your child does like. So I'm taking advantage of that. And I know Haley likes tomatoes, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of pico de gallo. That's been sitting in the cooler. It's been marinating. So that means that the onions are not gonna be as strong as they usually are. And now we are ready to watch her enjoy this.
We sure are.
So there we got it, guys. Kid-friendly quesadillas where we snuck in some broccoli. Now let's get our hats back on. We got to get back to 1950. Grab your plate. 1, 2. All right, we're back home. Why don't you go and have a seat and enjoy that? You let me know what you think.
Okay, Papa.
Thank you, Benny's Kitchen. Sweet Papa, it worked. She loves it.
Well, that's great to hear, Sweet Pea.
Thank you.
No, don't thank me. We should thank Benny's Kitchen. Remember, keep cooking, keep eating, but keep it healthy.